Good day everyone. My name is Gian Angeles Dapat and today I will be presenting my chosen invention. The invention I have chosen is the smart helmet because I believe it is a modern and useful innovation that helps improve the safety of motorcycle riders. In this presentation, I will discuss what a smart helmet is, who invented it, the problems it solves, its part, its impact on society, and my conclusion. What is a smart helmet? A smart helmet is an advanced helmet that combines safety protection with modern technology. Unlike ordinary helmets, it provides additional features such as Bluetooth communication, camera sensor, and LED lights. These features allow the rider to communicate, navigate, and stay safe. These are protective gear. Inventor engineer. The smart helmet was developed by several engineers and companies over time. One well-known example is the smart helmets made by Scully and Sena, which were introduced around 2013 to 2015. These companies designed helmets that included Bluetooth system, cameras, and navigation system to improve rider safety and convenience. Problem is solved. The smart helmet was created to solve several problems that motorcycle riders face. One problem is distracted driving, especially when using phones for call or GPS navigation. Another problem is poor communication during emergencies. Riders are also something not visible at night, increasing the risk of accident. The smart helmet addressing this problem by allowing hand-free communication, providing navigation, recording rides, improving visibility, and detecting accident. Parts of the smart helmet. The smart helmet has several important parts. Outer shell protects the rider and head from impacts. Inner padding provides comfort and absorbs shock. Visor protect the eyes from wind, dust, and sunlight. Bluetooth system and allows the hands-free calls and GPS direction. Camera records rides for safety or evidence. LED lights improve visibility at night. Sensors detect accident and automatically alert emergency contacts. How it affects society today. The smart helmet has a positive impact on society, especially for motorcycle riders. It helps reduce accident, improves communication, and allows riders to stay focused on the road. Emergency detection features can save lives, and better visibility helps prevent collision overall. Overall, the smart helmet makes modern transportation safer and more convenient. In conclusion, the smart helmet is an important invention that combines technology and safety. It solves problems like distracted driving, poor communication, and lack of visibility while riding. Its feature help protect riders, improve their experience, and make roads safer. This shows how modern technology can be applied to everyday life to protect lives and improve safety.